Hello Facebook Live, hello Instagram. Hi everybody, Jamie here. Happy cocktail time on Thursday. It is a little after 4, so 4:20. Sorry, I'm a little bit late. Happy Thursday to everybody. Thank you for joining me. I like to give Facebook a little bit of time to join. Usually takes a few minutes for people to start logging in. But hello everybody. Thank you very much. Hello Judy. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Let's see, it is Thursday. Marcus and I had 2 successful days off, Tuesday and Wednesday, and we got a lot accomplished, a lot done, and we are gearing up for our busy weekend. So it is, let's see, it is Columbus Day weekend coming up, and we're excited. It's supposed to be beautiful out, so come on down to Aroma Thyme or get takeout. We still have our grocery store available, so you can still come in and buy groceries. We have ribeye, we have steak, ribeyes, we have salmon, mahi-mahi, calamari, shrimp. We got a lot of stuff. Check out our grocery list on our website, aromathymebistro.com. On the top it says menu and grocery list, and you can check it out there. So you can get some steaks to take home to grill. We also have wine and beer and liquor. We just got a few new items for our liquor shelf. We have our Gozio Amaretto. We have Sambuca, Luxardo Sambuca. We added a few more cool things, some local gin, some local whiskey. Let's see, we got some more rosé today. We got some more Chardonnay. So that is pretty cool and exciting. So hello everybody, thank you for watching me. I appreciate it. Open this weekend, our Oktoberfest menu is available. We have bratwurst, we have pretzels, so we have a lot of stuff available on our menu. Today is our $9.99 burgers to go. So today we have burgers to go for $9.99. We have a vegan burger, we have our forager burger, we have our bacon cheddar burger, and a blue cheese roasted tomato burger. So call ahead 647-3000 to place that order, and you can take that to go. So today I am using a product from the Finger Lakes. This is the Vintner's vodka from Finger Lakes Distilling. This is distilled, I believe, with New York State grapes. So this is my cocktail for the day. It is called a Cherry Zinger. It has Luxardo cherry liqueur, this grape vodka, and then we have ginger beer in it. So simple, 3 ingredients, easy. I'm gonna put some ice in my glass, and away we go. All right, you are going to add 2 ounces of the vodka. We are going to add about 1 ounce of the cherry liqueur, and then you are going to top it off with the ginger beer or ginger ale, whatever you have at home. So simple, easy drink, something fun. Cherry Zinger, local vodka from the Finger Lakes area, one of our favorite distilleries up there. It is called Finger Lakes Distilling. Thank you very much. Enjoy your steaks. Thank you. And so this is an awesome vodka. They make a bourbon. They make some other stuff up there too. So I will use some of their products in the next couple of days on my Facebook Lives. Cheers. Something nice and refreshing. Ooh, that cherry comes out really nicely in there. And the ginger kind of balances it out. Really nice. So we are open tonight. Aroma Thyme is open. $9.99 burgers to go. We have 3 different burgers. We have our grocery stores open, so if you want to order groceries, Romanesco cauliflower came in. We have some avocados. Burrata will be here tomorrow. We have a new burrata coming in. I'm super excited. I tasted it the other day. It was awesome. It was really, really good. So hello everybody. Thank you for watching. Hello Dean. Hello Sarah. Hello Chris. Hello Nancy. Thank you everybody. Thank you everyone on Instagram. We appreciate your support. And that is it. Cherry Zinger today. Hope everybody has an awesome day. I will see you tomorrow. It is Friday, and we'll be here tomorrow. And catch Marcus's Facebook Live in the morning. I'm sure he'll do one in the morning. We did a aroma time, a wine time live on Tuesday, so that is available. We talked about a wine from Italy, northern Italy, Verona area, so a Ripasso, Valpolicella, and cool, I freeze. Cool. All right, everybody, have an awesome day. Cherry Zinger, I will see you all tomorrow.